In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert Google Sheets into Google Docs. We'll start right from the basics so you can follow along, even if you're new to Google Workspace. First, make sure you're signed in to your Google account and that you already have both a Google Doc and a Google Sheet created. You'll want your sheet to be organized the way you like, because whatever you insert into your doc will reflect how it looks in Sheets. Begin by opening the Google Doc where you want the table or data to appear. This is your main document, like a report, proposal, or worksheet. Place your cursor exactly where you want the sheet content to show up. That could be in the middle of a paragraph, between sections, or on a fresh, empty page for a cleaner layout. Next, go to the top menu of your Google Doc and click on Insert. In the drop-down menu, move your cursor down to find the option labeled Spreadsheet. When you hover over Spreadsheet, you'll see a couple of choices. Select the option to insert from an existing spreadsheet. This tells Google Docs that you want to pull data from a sheet you've already created. A window will pop up showing your recent Google Sheets files. If you see the sheet you want right away, simply click on it. If not, use the search bar at the top to type in the name of your sheet, then select it from the results. Take a moment to confirm you're choosing the correct file, especially if you have multiple sheets with similar names. After you select your sheet, another window will appear, showing you a preview of the different tabs or ranges inside that spreadsheet. Choose the specific sheet or cell range you want to insert. Often, you'll be inserting a single tab or a defined table. Once you've made your selection, look for the option that says Link to Spreadsheet. Make sure this is turned on if you want your table in Google Docs to stay connected to the original sheet. Now click Insert. Your Google Sheet data will appear in the doc as a formatted table. If it's linked, any changes you make later in the original sheet can be updated in the doc by clicking the Update button that appears above the table. From here, you can resize the table by dragging its edges, adjust alignment, or add text around it to explain your data. And that's all you need to seamlessly insert Google Sheets into Google Docs.